Okay, so today we're diving deep into AI agents.
AI agents.
Yeah, and I'm sure you've heard all the hype, like
Oh,
AI agents are gonna book our flights and write our screenplays.
right.
But what's funny is
Yeah.
I actually think some of that stuff is actually happening now.
Oh, it's definitely happening.
And I mean, if you're looking for a hub for all things AI agents, you got to check out AI Agent Store.
Absolutely.
But today we are focusing
yes.
on
Yeah.
OpenRouter AI.
OpenRouter AI.
So this is a good one.
Yeah. So what is it about OpenRouter AI that's...
So OpenRouter AI, really what it is it's solving this huge pain point for developers who are working with large language models.
Okay.
And that's a big mouthful.
LLMs.
Yeah, LLMs.
I've heard.
Yeah, so if you're building an app and you need to use a large language model, like you've heard of ChatGPT,
All right.
Bard,
Right.
there's all these different large language models. And the problem is...
Yeah. How do you choose? There are so many. How do you choose?
Yeah.
How do you even access them?
And even if you can choose, how do you integrate them into what you're doing?
Exactly. And how do you actually call them through APIs, application programming interfaces?
Right.
It's just a whole mess.
Yeah, it sounds like a nightmare.
So OpenRouter is that one-stop shop
Okay.
where you can access all the LLMs,
Okay.
compare them, see what their strengths and weaknesses are, see how much they cost, and then you can easily integrate them.
So it's like having all the ingredients you need
Yeah.
in one kitchen.
It's like a supermarket for LLM.
Instead of going to 20 different grocery stores to get what you need,
Exactly.
you've got it all there.
It's like a one-stop shop for AI.
So, okay, I get that.
Mm-hmm.
But, you're saying there's all these different options now.
Right.
How do you choose?
Well, and that's where OpenRouter AI is really helpful
Okay.
because it helps you make an informed decision. So you can actually test different LLMs side by side, see how they perform on certain tasks
Wow.
before you decide to, pull the trigger and really use one in your app or your product.
So is that what that chat room thing is?
The chat room is really cool.
Okay.
You can actually chat with multiple LLMs at the same time.
Oh, wow.
So you can ask them the same question and see how they answer it differently.
Oh, that's really interesting.
Maybe one is better at summarization, another one's better at translation.
I see.
And you can kind of get a feel for this is this LLM's personality.
So, okay, that makes sense for a developer,
Yeah.
But what about just regular people?
Yeah.
Why should anyone care about this?
That's a good question.
What are some of the use cases here?
So there's all these interesting use cases. One example is researchers using OpenRouter to compare LLMs on different tasks.
I see.
Like how well they can translate text or write different kinds of creative content.
Okay.
There's also people using it to build chatbots, which we kind of talked about.
Right.
But there's also some cool examples. There's this video online how I'm auto-blogging with OpenRouter AI,
Oh, wow.
where someone's actually using it to generate content for their blog.
Okay.
So it's really making AI more accessible to everyone.
So it's like democratizing AI.
Exactly.
So it's not just for the big tech companies anymore.
It's not just for the experts anymore.
Yeah,
Anyone can use it.
this is cool stuff.
Yeah.
So I mean, how do you see this impacting, the future?
Well, I think OpenRouter is just the beginning.
Okay.
I think in the future, we're going to see a lot more tools like this
Okay.
that make AI really easy to use
Okay.
for anyone.
So you're saying
Yeah.
anyone could use this to,
Yeah.
analyze their finances.
You
or
could analyze your finances.
write better emails or
Write better emails.
even, I don't know.
Generate personalized learning plans for your kids.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
With AI tutors.
Yeah. So this is really,
I think it is really exciting.
yeah, it's really cool.
It's a really exciting time to be alive.
So I think that's a pretty good place to wrap up.
Yeah.
So if you want to learn more about AI agents
Yes.
and OpenRouter AI,
Go to AIAgentStore.ai.
AIAgentStore.ai.
It's a great resource.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us
Thanks for having me.
on this deep dive into OpenRouter AI.
Yeah, this is fun.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Yeah.